Why don't seniors in my neighborhood need a fancy alarm system? Because they're up at dawn every day to mow their lawns. They've spotted an intruder faster than a squirrel spots a walnut. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on lawn care for seniors near me. Tip 1. Consider hiring a professional. If maintaining a large lawn feels like a daunting task, seniors should consider hiring a professional gardening or landscaping service. These services will manage everything related to lawn care, such as mowing, watering, fertilizing and controlling pests. It removes the physical strain from seniors and ensures a well-maintained lawn. Tip 2. Use lightweight tools. To make self-care more manageable, invest in lightweight ergonomic tools. Items such as lightweight hedge trimmers, loppers or telescopic reaching devices can make the job much easier without causing unnecessary strain on your body. Tip 3. Keep it low maintenance. Choose low maintenance plants and trees for your lawn. Drought-tolerant plants require less water and care while still providing greenery and colour. Also, consider ground cover plants instead of grasses to minimize the need for mowing. Tip 4. Use mulch. Mulching around the plants will help maintain the moisture level in the soil, reducing the need for watering. Mulch also helps in suppressing weeds that can turn into a major lawn problem if not addressed timely. Tip 5. Invest in a sprinkler system. A good sprinkler or irrigation system can save lots of time and energy spent watering the lawn. With automatic systems, you can easily set the timings and frequency of the watering session. Tip 6. Practice safe mowing. For seniors managing their own lawn mowing, use a light, easy-to-push electric or battery-operated mower. Also, remember to use proper safety gear like gloves, sturdy shoes and eye protection. Tip 7. Divide the work. Don't try to do everything in one day. Break your tasks up into manageable parts and do a little bit each day. Tip 8. Use raised garden beds. Raised beds minimize bending and kneeling and can be easier to manage. They can be filled with flowers, vegetables or herbs, offering versatility as well as convenience. Tip 9. Implement weed and pest control. Weeds and pests can wreak havoc on your lawn. Invest in regular weed and pest control methods. Consider non-toxic methods first, especially if you have pets or if grandchildren come often to visit. Tip 10. Consider artificial grass. This is a more drastic step, but artificial grass needs minimal maintenance and can look as good as natural grass. It can be a practical choice for those struggling with physical tasks related to lawn care. Tip 11. Stay hydrated and sun protected. While taking care of your lawn, don't forget to take care of yourself. Wear a hat and sunscreen and remember to stay hydrated, especially in the hot summer months.